Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Baby Yoda Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Baby Yoda Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, line up the corners, and I'm going to fold it in half, just like this. And I'm going to give it a nice fold right down here. Next, I'm going to go and line up the corners one more time, and I'm going to give it another nice fold like this. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing at. Now, to start off with our Baby Yoda, we're going to begin by drawing the head. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up and then down. So we'll start right about here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, kind of like half an oval shape. Now, underneath here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. I'm going to go over, kind of like a straight line, and then I'll bring it right back up to here. Kind of looks like a potato. Now, I'm going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and down. Then I'll do the same thing over here, but this time I'm going to start down here. So I'm going to go up and down here, kind of like a curve. Next, starting here, I'm going to go down and then up. And then same thing here. I'm just going to go down and then bring it up here. Now, inside of here, I'm going to make a big oval shape right here, and then another big oval shape right up here. And then I'll make a smaller oval shape right here with another smaller oval shape right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and color in this part of the eye. Now, after we have that colored in, then I'm going to begin with the nose. So to make the nose, I'm going to keep it right above the fold. So I'm just going to begin by making a very small little oval shape right above the little fold part. Now, let's go ahead and make the ears. So to draw the ears for our Baby Yoda, I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come out like this, a little bit of a curve. Then I'm just going to bring it right down to here. I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to bring this out and kind of over. And then I'm just going to bring this right back down to here. Now I'm going to make the same shape inside of each ear. So we're just going to draw the exact same shape right inside of there. So we can color that part pink and leave the outside green. Now, right inside of here, I'm just going to make a little eyebrow. So I'm going to make a little curved line above each eye for the eyebrows. Now, right down here, I'm going to give him a little smiley face for a mouth. So I'm just going to make a little tiny smiley face. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a big line across here. So I'm going to make a line right here. We're going to go all the way across the bottom and here, just for a little detail. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and I'll do the same thing here. Bring a line out, and then bring it down. Next, I'm going to curve this around and connect it to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line down and another little line down here. And then I'll draw a little line that's going to come down and in. And same thing here. We're just going to come down and bring it in. I'll draw a little line across here just for the sleeves. And then right here, I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come down on each side. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes down, and then we'll draw a straight line down here. Now, after we have this, we're going to open this up and draw the inside of our Baby Yoda. Now, once we have this all opened up, we're going to begin on the inside. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by bringing this line down a little bit, and then I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. And then I'm going to bring this line up past the fold and this line up past the fold. Now, starting here, just right underneath the fold, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come all the way out here and curve up. And I'll do the same thing here. It's going to go down, and it's going to come all the way towards the edge and curve up. I'll put a little line on each side just to kind of help show that it's a smile. Then I'm going to bring this line down a little bit on each side, just like that. Now, right across here, I'm going to put some little teeth. So I'm just going to make some little smiley face shapes for some teeth in our Baby Yoda. So we'll just make some little smiley face shapes right across there. Now, starting in here, I'm going to draw the little frog. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a circle for an eye. And then I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to make a smaller circle inside each one, and then I'm just going to color this in. Next, I'm going to draw a bump over each one. Now for the mouth, I'm just going to make a big line across here. And then we'll draw a little line that's going to come around and in. And same thing here, we're going to come around and then in. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side. And then I'll give my frog a couple little toes on here, and we'll come back up. A couple little toes, and then we'll bring it back up. And then I'll curve a line across here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then same thing over here. We're just going to go up and down. I'm going to make a couple little toes on here for my frog. I'm going to do the same thing here. Make a couple little toes. Then I'm going to come up and then down. And same thing here. Up and then down for our frog. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down here. And then right here, I'm going to come down, I'm going to curve it around, and then come back up here. And I'll bring this up here. Next, let's draw some bumps for the teeth right across here. And then we'll put a big bump that goes up and then up and down for the tongue. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and bring this line down. Same thing here. I'll bring this line down and bring this line down here to connect. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Baby Yoda Surprise Fold. So when I have it all folded up, I've got a cute little Baby Yoda. And then when I open it up, you can see he's trying to eat another frog. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.